My name is Laurel Rios. I am the owner of Fee and Me Baking Company, a gluten-free baking company based in Calistoga, California in Napa Valley. I work really hard to only make products that I would happily eat myself, and I am continuously proud of the gluten-free puff pastry that we make or the gluten-free bread that we make, and all of these different things that are not typically available gluten-free, to work really hard to make it not only gluten-free, but good and gluten-free. I actually played around with adding prunes to our signature vanilla cake donuts and was blown away by not so much the texture, but the flavor profile that it added to the donuts, because I thought our donuts were moist and creamy before adding the prunes, and then adding the large chunks of California prunes, it just kind of took it to a whole nother level. And the flavor profile of prunes isn't overwhelming, it's more complimenting. My favorite use of it is in our chocolate olive oil cookies, which are gluten-free and vegan. That is almost brownie-like in its texture, but with chewy, crisp edges. So it was already hard enough to make it what I thought was really creamy as a chocolate cookie with no butter or milk or all of those good things. With the addition of large chunks of California prunes with top-notch cocoa powder, it really amplified the chocolate flavor and just provided such a beautiful marriage between the two. You could almost say it's healthy because of the prunes in there.